Brad Williams, XL Prime, SUMIFS. We're just going to sum up a automaker if they're in a row. We're used to going down columns. Let's mix it up here. We have just this list of automakers. We have Honda, BMW, Lexus, Fiat, and that will probably change. Yep, hit F9, and we're going to get a change. So if there's a Chevrolet in this row, add it. If there's a Honda over here, add it. That's simple. No Hondas, 0. Chevrolet, there's 176. F9. This is why I have the F9 in here. So we can see if there are multiple automakers in the list. No BMW. No BMW. Oh, clearly. Infinity. So why is this not adding up, folks? Because it looks like the criteria is doing what? There is a error there. No, that's not it. All right. I'm out. What's the problem with this? All right, here we have the SUMIFS going down. We have Fiat, and we have Fiat in this. If it's a single match, then this should match. This should equal this column. And BMW, there's only one BMW, so hit F9. See, we have multiple Infinity, but we don't have an Infinity in our selection. Keep going. No Audi, one Ford. Fiat, zip, zip. Ford, zip, 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 zip. Rivian, one. When I say one, there's only one in our list and only one BMW. Hit F9. Still singles in our requirement. BMW, Chevrolet, Audi, Chevrolet, Lexus. Only one Lexus in our list. Honda, Audi. Multiple Audis. And all we do is we add them up. Over to your right is the write-up, if you're interested in what I just discussed. The anatomy, you know the anatomy by now. Sums numbers that meet multiple criteria. What's the multiple criteria? I didn't go over that. Here's the criteria. Well, we have B5, G5, which will be this. And there's only a single criteria here. And that is, without me pointing it out to you, it should be obvious. It should be J4. And it is. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thank you.